Our actions come from a place of love and a place of care. No one wants to see anyone suffer.
The founders of a drug user advocacy group in Vancouver are launching a constitutional challenge against Canada's Controlled Drugs and Substances Act, arguing their charter rights and the rights of other drug users were violated when their group was shut down and they were arrested last year. So the Drug User Liberation Front, or DULF, held a press conference here at KW Studios in Vancouver announcing this legal challenge Tuesday morning.
That people do not know what they are putting into their bodies. And what we need to see change to fix this situation is some type of regulation of the illicit drug market.
In their first major media appearance since their arrests last October, DULF's founders say the ongoing legal battle has taken a toll on them since they were arrested.
We're here to shift the tide, but I believe we'll walk away from this very changed people and very, at least personally, I'm not going to be the same person ever again. So, you know.
Eris Nix and Jeremy Calicum were arrested after their group ran an illicit compassion club for over a year, and many protested their arrests. They say they crowdsourced money, bought drugs off the dark web, tested them for purity, and sold them at cost to a group of 47 people as part of a peer-reviewed study published in February. Vancouver Coastal Health partly funded the club. And DULF's study in the International Journal of Drug Policy suggests the group reduced overdoses and drug use, and no one in the study died.
To be criminalized for that is, heartbreaking and shakes your kind of foundational sense of, right and wrong.
DULF's lawyers argue in part that stopping the Compassion Club prevents club members from accessing predictable drugs, therefore threatening their right to life as they were forced to use street drugs. They also pointed to precedent cases they plan to invoke in their latest legal challenge, including the start of Insight in Vancouver, North America's first supervised consumption site that started illegally.
That case established, of course, that prohibiting a supervised consumption site in a similar way that the Controlled Drugs and Substances Act on its face would prohibit a safer supply program it can be unconstitutional.
DULF's founders are still at the center of a court case trying them for possession for the purposes of drug trafficking. Their lawyers say a trial is expected to happen in October next year, and this latest legal challenge aims to get their charges dropped. In Vancouver, Kier Junos, City News.